Dictation for Chandigarh High Court, exercise 19, @ 100 word per minute. So be ready, start. The true position is that if the divorced wife is able to maintain herself, the husband's liability to provide maintenance for her ceases with the expiration of the period of iddat. If she is unable to maintain herself, she is entitled to take recourse to section 125 of the code. Thus, there is no conflict between the provisions of section 125 and those of the Muslim personal law on the question of the Muslim husband's obligation to provide maintenance for a divorced wife who is unable to maintain herself. Mere is not the amount payable by the husband to the wife on divorce and therefore does not fall within the meaning of section 127 of the code and the facial answer of the All India Muslim Law Board that the personal law has devised the system of mere to meet the requirements of women, and if a woman is indigent, she must look to her relations including nephews and cousins to support her is most unreasonable view of law as well as of life. It is true under the Muslim personal law the amount of mere is usually split into two parts, one of which is called program, which is payable on demand, and the other is called deferred, which is payable on the dissolution of the marriage by death or by divorce. But the fact that deferred mere is payable at the time of the dissolution of marriage can't justify that it is payable or divorce, even assuming that in a given case the entire amount of mere is of the deferred variety payable in the dissolution of marriage by divorce. It can't be said that it is an amount which is payable on divorce. Divorce may be a convenient identification point of time at which the deferred amount has to be paid by the husband to the wife, but the payment of the amount is not occasioned by the divorce, which is what is meant by the expression on divorce which occurs in section 125 of the code. If mere is an amount which the wife is entitled to receive from the husband in consideration of the marriage, that is the very opposite of the amount being payable in consideration of divorce. Divorce dissolves the marriage, therefore the no amount which is payable in consideration of the marriage can possibly be described as an amount payable in consideration of divorce. Full stop.